Hello and welcome to a quick tour of the furniture arrangement tool in DraftSanctum AI. This feature lets you take a photo of any room, add a piece of furniture you like, and watch as our AI creates the perfect placement for you. Let's get started. First up, we'll upload an image of our room. We just click on the room image box, find the photo of our empty space, and select it. Easy as that. Next, let's add the furniture. We'll click the furniture image box and choose this lovely yellow armchair. You'll see a green check mark appear, confirming both images are uploaded and ready. Now, we need to give the AI a little direction in the placement instructions box. You can be very specific, but for this demo, we'll simply type, "Place appropriately within the scene," to give the AI some creative freedom. Before we generate the final image, let's explore the advanced settings for more control. First, for lighting preference, we'll select warm lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Under style considerations, we'll choose modern to guide the overall aesthetic. We only need one perfect image for this demonstration, so we'll change the number of images down to 1. For image size, our room photo is wider than it is tall, so landscape is the perfect choice. And finally, to ensure the best possible result, we'll set the quality to high. Now we can collapse the advanced settings. Okay, we're all set. Let's click the Create Furniture Arrangement button and let the AI work its magic. Right now, DraftSanctum AI is doing all the heavy lifting. It's processing the room image, analyzing the furniture, and considering the lighting and style we selected. It's optimizing the spatial arrangement, thinking about the flow of the room, and ultimately creating a perfect, harmonious layout just for you. Success. Take a look at this. The AI not only placed our yellow armchair perfectly, but also added a complementary sofa, a side chair, and a coffee table to create a complete and stylish modern living room. The warm lighting and overall composition look fantastic. In just a few minutes, you have a professional design concept ready to go. Thanks for watching.